Shush, everybody settle down. Stevenson, I've told you, no TikToking in class, otherwise everyone loses the Wi-Fi privilege. I'm watching you. Welcome to today's Joyanima class with your teacher, Miss Anna. We're going to talk about the Joyanima Relationship Magical Formula, or the JRMF for short, which doesn't really have a ring to it. You need to understand this vital formula that if you do not build attraction, you are put into the friend zone. If you don't build any comfort, then you are classed as a player and you will definitely be ghosted. So if you are ready for today's class, well, stay tuned. Be mindful of her skepticism by taking in all of the points in today's video that you're going to see and then adding that with the magical formula. This will be enough for you to understand that we are always skeptical that guys are players and that they're only after one thing, and they will literally say anything and do anything just for the chance to spend a night with us. So you need to understand what is going to make you stand out from every other guy in the room. You need to be cool, collected, without getting turned down. So women don't want to hear compliments about their appearances. It's been done before many times. It doesn't work. I'm sure you've had experiences when you've given a girl a compliment and you feel it's backfired. So instead, compliment her on her values, how she talks, anything that really is not about her appearance, and she will fall quite literally head over heels for you. So a clue here is to preferably compliment her on something that she has spent time investing in. You can stand out instantly by having confident body language. If you have the charm and you have the vibe that makes a girl feel that you are comfortable in your own skin, well then you can make her feel attracted and make her feel comfortable, which is this bonus formula here. And if you have brought yourself time to talk to her and get her attracted more, then you guys will be able to swap numbers. But you have to be mindful of how you stand when it comes to your body language. It matters on how you stand at the bar, how you walk into the room, so you need to be thinking power stances and taking up the whole space around you. Not literally doing cartwheels, but do something where it looks like you're very confident, something like this. Adjusting your clothing, your collar, rolling up your sleeves, these are fantastic things. Now the idea is to make a woman go from, when is he going to leave, to, wow, I want him to stick around a little bit longer. Show women your standards. Yes, guys are allowed to have standards, believe it or not. You need to let a lady know that you like her, but only because she meets your criteria of what you are looking for. Without directly saying this, of course, you need her to know that you are a high-level man that does not give his time to just any woman. Therefore, it raises the stakes and she will feel more attracted instantly. It will give her the sense that you are very valuable, and obviously she wants to be with a limited edition guy. Now it shows that you have options of women that you can choose from because you can turn people down. You don't just talk to the first person you see and make a move. Now this is going to make every lady that you speak to feel super special and qualified to actually talk with you, because all women want high value men because they are not players. They are someone that wants something long term that isn't going to hurt them. Therefore, by doing this, it makes women feel comfortable, builds attraction, which again is the magical formula. So if she knows that you are a guy that means business, who wants to invest in long-term commitment, it will stop the girls who are below your league actually trying to come over and chat to you. Don't be desperate to speak with women. Us ladies, we are magnificent. We know when we are being lied to. We might not tell you that we know you're lying to us, but oh, we know. And we have an amazing moral compass to actually figure out if you are desperate to talk to us. A guy that gets angry when she's not interested, a player, a nice guy, and the guy who likes us but doesn't have the confidence to ask us out, therefore lowering his attraction value. So wherever you are, don't let walking over to a woman be the first thing you do. You do not need to be scanning the eyes of potential dates when you walk into a bar, because, well, if that's the first thing you do, it shows desperation. So when you talk with a girl, don't just force that attraction to happen. Don't be cheesy, don't be corny, and do not hold a big expectation on the goal of I have to get her number and I have to arrange a date. Instead, you need to be calm, collected, and just enjoy the moment with her. This shows you as being high value, which again links to the previous point, and makes her feel comfortable because you just want to enjoy the moment with her. You are not literally blowing a whistle, telling her that she needs to hurry up, do some jack jump stars because you want to have a date with her. To be more irresistible to women, you don't want to be giving them any pressure. And this is the ultimate way to make her feel comfortable. Let her think that she is the one suggesting the date, or at least taking the lead in the talk of exchanging numbers, and this will raise your value. Plus, other people around that will see this happen will think, this guy seems high value, let me talk to him. This should go without saying, but I'm going to say it because sometimes I don't think guys realise this. But if you try to qualify every woman that you walk past, let's say you're in a club, and you will keep trying and trying and trying to talk to a girl until she gives you a date and a number, well, other women would have picked up on this because, like I said, we are very skeptical of guys being nice. Our brains are programmed to avoid danger, and when women are in a pub or a club or a restaurant, pretty much anywhere, we always, and this is kind of sad, have it in the back of our minds to watch out for dangerous guys and the players and the weird ones and those that don't take a hint when we say we're not interested. So we are always scanning the room constantly, no matter where we are. So we are going to definitely pick up if we've seen you talk to 4 other girls before you walked over to us. The beauty here is that you need to let her know that you like her, but you aren't going to go all out to get her number. Because remember, a player would do that. You want to be building that trust, and therefore, if you aren't pushing for something, she is going to want to feel comfortable to give you her number. If you can get the woman to initiate the asking out and the number exchange, well, it means you have mastered the magical formula. Mean business with your attraction. Oh baby, you roll up your sleeves right now, let's get ready. Because to be more attractive, you need to be showing your assertiveness. So if you can remember from our past videos, you will understand that women crave the dominance, the confidence, and the assertiveness, which is the masculine energy, which is void for genders, as obviously some ladies have masculine energies and some guys can have the feminine energy. The point here is to let women know that you are interested in them so that they know where they stand, because this will do, number 1, this is going to weed out the ladies who are not interested. 2, it will show your confidence, and 3, it shows your high value. Some ways that you can show this assertiveness is to be very forthcoming and say, hey look, it'd be great if we go out on a date, but you aren't pushing for her. Use physical intimacy. Every woman is very different when it comes to being touched, because some women don't want to be hugged when you first meet them, and some women do. Now, the best way of really judging this is for you to do something and see how she reacts in that space. A good rule of thumb is if she likes to sit and really take up the space around her, she's quite a comfortable person and she wouldn't respond badly if you touched her shoulder during a joke or if you were asking her a question. If her body language is open, then great. But if she's the type of lady who kind of positions herself away from you, crosses her opposite leg and very closed off, a touch could really ruin everything. Most importantly, touch builds attraction, not comfortability. So you can't have one or the other, otherwise you won't get anywhere. So do not be using touch until you know she is attracted. And when you do touch her, I have to say this, don't do it for too long or too often because it's pretty creepy. A very quick tip here is to high five her. Yes, I know it's cheesy, but as long as you keep it cheesy, you are playing it safe and you are making her feel comfortable. Oh my god, you agree that it should be milk first and then instant coffee granules? And what's that? You don't think pineapple should be on pizza? Girl, give me a high five. Oh, it's jokey. Oh, it's corny, but it removes the awkwardness. But the most important thing is, how does she respond after that? If she moves her hands away, she's literally closing off. But if she keeps her palms faced up like this, say on the bar or on her lap, it shows that she wasn't put off and potentially kind of like, come on, touch me again. I am fresh out of tips, but if you do want some more, then don't worry. There are some videos here next to my head. Go click on these because I really think you will like them. All you have to do now is tell me how much you enjoyed the video, give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye-bye.